Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Poem Betty at the party. When I was at the party, said Betty, hey, just for a little fell off a chair right down upon the floor, and all the other little girls began to laugh. But me, I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. Why not, her mother asked a fellow like to find that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. Why didn't you laugh, my darling? Oh, don't you like to tell? I didn't laugh, said Betty, because it was I that felt. Thank you.